Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed the House that the demand of inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India is the matter of the central government. Answering the question of MLA from Maurinkaneng, Heaving Stone Kharpran, the Chief Minister informed that the Legislative Assembly has passed a resolution. Since then, the government is following up these issues. He said that the state government will propose, but at the end of the day, the government of India will decide.
Informed that the earlier attempts through the Pawa 1996 and the Sitakant Mahapatra 2003 committee to evolve such fixed criteria have been inconclusive. And further, he informed that the Government of India is conscious about the sentiments and requirements for inclusion of other languages in the 8th schedule, and such requests have been considered keeping in mind these sentiments and other relevant considerations.